Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Today we are going to solve pure maths from algebraic method mix exercise 7, question number 22, 23 and 24 in very easy and simple way. If you are new, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. Now we will start today's lecture. Now the question number 22 is the equation of the form of x square minus kx plus k is equal to 0, where k is a condition is k is a positive constant. So you have to prove that it has two roots that are real, two equal roots. This equation has two equal roots and condition is given. Prove that k is equal to 4. Now this is quadratic equation and k is a constant. You have to prove that it has two equal roots such that k is equal to 4. Now we will solve this question. First of all, given that it has two constants rule, equal roots, it's mean that b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. This is equal to 0 when condition is given that two equal roots. So if a quadratic equation such that has two equal roots, then b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now we will write the equation, that is x square minus kx plus k equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus k and c is equal to k. This is given. Now we will put the values inside this equation. B square means minus k square and minus 4 into AC means 1 into k is equal to 0. So it will become k square minus 4k, which is equal to 0. Now we will take k as common. So k minus 4 is equal to 0. Now k is equal to 0 and k minus 4 is equal to 0. So you have to prove that k is equal to 4. So k is equal to 4. This is the solution. I hope you understand the question, how we have solved this. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Then put the values of a, b, c from this equation and then find that k is equal to 4 is the solution. Now we will start question number 23. Now the question number 23 is, prove that the distance between two opposite edges of a regular hexagon is of of a side length equals to the square root of 3 is a rational value. So, you will solve this question in a very easy and simple way. We will use Pythagoras theorem in this question. So, write using Pythagoras theorem on this is the distance between two opposite edge will be 2 into square root of 3 square minus square root of 3 by 2 square. Now by solving this, we will get 2 into 3 minus square root is cancelled by 2, so 3 by 4. So LCM is 4. 2 is multiplied by this. So 12 minus 3. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So 9 by 2 is the distance, and this is a rational number. Because when we divide 9 by 2, we will get 4.5. So this is the answer, and that is a rational. Now we will solve the last question. Now question number 24 is prove that the difference of the square of two consecutive even numbers is always divisible by 4. And in the B part, is this statement is true, meant is true, give a reason to your answer. Now we will solve this question in very easy and simplest way. First of all, consider the first even number. Even number is that number that is a multiple of 2. So, first even number will be 2n. And the second even number will be 2n plus 2, because after 2 the even number is 4. So when we add 2 in 2, we will get 4. So like this we will write second even number is equal to the 2n plus 2. Now of the given condition that the difference of the square of two consecutive even numbers, it's mean that we will take the square of these two numbers and then subtract them. So 2n plus 2 greater number square minus smaller number square is equal to the divisible by 4. So we will open the square of this, so it will become 2n square. Here we apply the a plus b whole square formula. So 4n square plus 4 minus a plus 8n and minus 4n square. So plus 4n square and minus 4n square both are cancel out, and we have 4 plus 8n. Now we will take 4 as common and remaining is 1 plus 2n. Now this number is a multiple of 4. It means it is divisible by 2. Because this number is multiplied by 4. Now we will solve the B part of this. B part is this statement is true, give a reason of your answer. So we will solve the B part to give the reason for this question. Now consider the first odd number. First odd number that will be equal to the 2n minus 1. And the next odd number that will be equal to the 2n plus 1. Now we will again take the square of both and subtract them. So 2n plus 1 whole square minus 2n minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 4n square plus 4n plus 1 and minus 4n square and then plus 4n and then minus 1. So 4n square and minus 4n square both are cancel out. Plus 1 and minus 1 are also cancel out. So we have just equal to the 8n. So 8n is a multiple of 8 which is always divisible by 4. So this statement is also true for odd numbers. I hope you understand the question. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve more questions from this chapter. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.